Hi everyone, it's Daniela, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this bracelet made using Miyuki Tila beads. Before we get started, I'd just like to ask you to please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. Make sure to leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you get notified every time I post a new tutorial. Also feel free to check my Patreon, you can find the link down below. And let's take a look at materials. First, let's talk about beads. For a 19 centimeters long bracelet, we need 26 pieces of Tila beads. Tila beads are flat square, tile-shaped 2-hole seed beads, and they come in a wide range of colors. This color is matte, transparent, dark topaz. Next, we need a Matubo Miniduo. It's a Czech product, and this color is pastel amber. And we also gonna need some beads. These are Czech Preciosa. This pink one is size 11, and this purple one is size 8. And we also need a fire line. I'm using size 0.12 millimeters in crystal color, beading needle size 12, 2 stainless steel head pins, a magnetic clasp with a strong magnet, scissors, and round nose pliers and chain nose pliers, and side cutter, and optionally a bead stopper and bead mat. These two things will make your job a little easier. Bead stopper keeps the beads we are adding from falling off the end, and the bead mat is good in that you can easily pick up beads from the bead mat and they won't scatter all around. And I like to use a magnetic clasp to make bracelets because I can fasten them easily with only one hand, but the magnet has to be strong so the bracelet won't fall out of my hand. This fastening is very strong in tension. So first we cut a piece of fire line. To make a 90 centimeter long bracelet, cut about 1 meter of thread. I thread my needle and I take a bead stopper and I'm gonna squeeze its ears in order to open it and catch the end, the tail of the thread. So what we are going to do is that we put on the whole length of the bracelet, the beads that we need for the whole length of the bracelet, and then we keep adding more beads on horizontal, like this. So I will keep this as a template here, and I'm going to pick up one Tila bead, one size 11 seed bead, one Miniduo, and we are here now, one size 8 seed bead, Miniduo, and 11 size seed bead. Slide it down to my bead stopper and you can see that we are here now and we keep adding more beads according to this template. So I pick up another Tila bead, 11 seed bead, Miniduo, 8 seed bead, Miniduo, and size 11 seed bead. And we will repeat all this till the end. So again, 1 Tila, 11 Miniduo, 8 Miniduo, and 11. If you want a 19 centimeter long bracelet, you should have 13 Tila beads on the thread. Now we have 13 Tila beads on our thread, and we pick up 3 size 11 seed beads, take this end, and I turn and do my next row. So I go through the other hole of the Tila bead, and for the whole second row I will use only a Miniduo bead. So I pick up one Miniduo bead and go through the second hole of the Miniduo of this first row and pull up tight, pick up another Miniduo and go through the very next Miniduo of the first row and again pull up. I pick another Miniduo and go through the second hole of the Tila bead. And continue the same way. You can see that between each 2 Tila beads we have 3 gaps, so we sew 1 Miniduo to each gap. and we will continue until the end of this second row. Still the same way, and pull up tight. And the last 3 Miniduo beads. And the last one in the second row. And now I go back again with my third row. So I pick up one Tila bead. I take this end and go through the first Miniduo bead through the second hole, this free hole. You can see that these Tila beads snug up together. And now I pick up another Miniduo bead and go through this very next bead and one more Miniduo bead and go through this free hole of the next Miniduo bead. Try to pull it up, and you can see it's time for Tila again, so I pick up one Tila bead and go through this free hole of Miniduo bead and pull up, and again the same, 2 Miniduos and 1 Tila bead, and continue till the end of the row. So 1 Miniduo, another 1 Miniduo, and 1 Tila bead, now we are at the end of the third row and we pick up last Tila bead, slide it down, and we go through the next Tila bead, just through the hole of this Tila bead again, and not the seed beads there, and to go back up through this Tila bead we just added. Now I pick up another 3 size 11 seed beads in pink color and go through the second hole of this new Tila bead. And I will continue with the last row, and in this row I will be just adding seed beads. 1, 11, 8, 11, and again 11, 8, 11. So I pick my first 11 seed bead and go through this Miniduo and tie it well. Now pick up size 8 seed bead and go through the next Miniduo bead. And again size 11 seed bead and go through the Tila bead, and again continue the same way till the end of this last fourth row. And the last 11 seed bead in this row, pull it up, and now I pick up 3 size 11 seed beads and go through the next hole of Tila bead and go back up through the next Tila bead, pick up another 3 size 11 seed beads and go through the last hole of this Tila bead and up again with my needle just through the Tila bead, down, up again, and go through these 2 size 11 seed beads. Pick up another 3 size 11 seed beads and go with my needle through this bead through this peak. And one side is finished, so we can add clasp there. And we can go back to this end. So I go with my needle all the way up. I could do it when I was here, but I forgot it. So I need to do it now. And I pick up another 3 size 11 seed beads and go through this hole, through this bead. And we are finished, and we can weave the tails in. So I go through a couple more beads. I go under the thread. And make a knot. Pull up tight and go through a couple more beads again and make another knot. Go under the thread and make a knot and hide the knot between the beads. So go through more beads, and now we can cut the thread as close as possible to the beads. And we do the same with the other tail. Now we are finished, and we can add a fastening, a magnetic clasp. So I open the magnetic clasp. It's hard to do it because the magnet is strong. And I place the head pin inside and cut the head pin about 1 centimeter from the bead cap. Bend it and make a loop. Don't close it yet because we catch this end into the loop, and now we can close it. And do the same on the other side. So I take the other end of the magnetic clasp, put a head pin inside, and the bracelet is finished. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials and turn notifications on so you get notified every time I post a new tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the bracelet, and if you decide to try this tutorial, I'll be happy if you show me your creations. In one of the next tutorials, I will show you how to make matching earrings. I've already posted a picture of them on Instagram, so check it out if you are interested. Happy beading and see you next time. Bye!